All right, what's up, family? This is Jack Hakimian. I want to just say thank you for being on another show with us here on the Hakimian Show. And today we got an amazing guest who's a mover and shaker in the Miami community. And before we get to him and introduce him, I want to go ahead and introduce my one and only other half, Jal Hakimian. How you doing, Jal?
Good. Hello, everyone. So glad to be here today. Excited to talk with Andre.
Cool. All right. Well, she gave you a little hint. Today we got in the house Andre the Diggity Williams. Williams, how you doing, man?
I'm doing great, Jack. Hey, thank you for having me, man. And you guys have some great energy, so I'm really excited about the show today.
Good. Well, as we get started, Andre, I want to ask you, man. First of all, tell us a little bit about your background. I know you were a former councilman in the Miami Gardens. You're president of the Miami Gardens Chamber. You're an active practicing attorney. Hopefully, I'll be with you in eternity. And so, tell me a little bit about what you do and what is your passion. What motivates you to be this social entrepreneur? Sure.
And let me just share with your listeners a little bit about my background. I was blessed to have great parents. I had very humble beginnings. My mom's a retired public school teacher. My dad was a Marine. He retired from the post office, but they emphasized family, community, spirituality, and they emphasized education. So I had a great education. I graduated from Harvard with an undergraduate in English and American Literature, then Vanderbilt Law School. I made a conscious decision to come back here to South Florida to practice law. So I practiced at some major law firms, some major corporations, but I always had an eye towards starting my own real estate law practice. Okay. I also started investing in real estate, and around that same time, I ran for public office because I wanted to be a part of restoring our community, and served a stint in Miami Gardens as a city councilman. As my real estate empire grew, I realized that was such the cornerstone of our community, because home ownership is part of the American dream, and I saw that in South Florida that American dream was a lot harder for people who look like me, people who were a part of the diaspora. So I started the Miami Gardens Chamber of Commerce in 2018 because I wanted to help empower and grow small businesses in Miami Gardens and larger businesses as well, and create a hub for technology and innovation in Miami Gardens. Because there are some people in Miami Gardens who are really struggling. And I think small business empowerment, economic development driven by technology and innovation can really, really help move our community forward. And we've seen successful examples of that in Boston and San Francisco. Right. Although the challenges they've experienced have to do with gentrification. Right. So we have to empower our local residents, bring that technology and innovation to Miami Gardens, while also allowing them to participate in that prosperity and that economic windfall that I think we're going to experience. And let me just tell you what my goal is. In 10 years, I want to increase the family per capita income in Miami Gardens from $41,000 to $50,000, and I think we can help do that through the Miami Gardens Chamber of Commerce.
Nice. All right, man. I'm really looking forward to just some of the other questions I know my wife has for you and I have for you. We're going to be right back to talk about those things, all right?